Hey everybody, this is MC Taylor of His Gold Messenger, and I'm going to play the first Grateful Dead song that ever worked its magic on me for you right now. It's a tune called Dire Wolf. In the timbers of Venerio, the wolves are running round. Winter was so hot and cold, froze 10 feet neath the ground. Don't murder me, I beg of you, don't murder me. Please don't murder me. I sat down to my supper, 'twas a bottle of red whiskey. I said my prayers and went to bed, that's the last they saw of me. Don't murder me, beg of you, don't murder me. Please don't murder me. When I woke, the dire wolf, 600 pounds of sin, was grinning at my window. All I said was, come on in, don't murder me. I beg of you, don't murder me. Please don't murder me. Wolf came in, I got my cards, we sat down for a game. I got my deck to the queen of spades, but the cards were all the same. Don't murder me, I beg of you, don't murder me. Please don't murder me. In the backwash of Venerio, the black and bloody mine, the dire wolf collects his due while the boys sing round the fire. Don't murder me, I beg of you, don't murder me. Please don't murder me. Don't murder me, I beg of you, don't murder me.